What up, y'all? It's RexMakesBeats back with another sneaker review. Today, I've got the Nike Air Fear of God 1 in triple black. The sneaker comes in an orange pastel colored box with subtle Nike Air Fear of God branding. They also come with a few goodies, including a black nylon bag, a Nike Fear of God tag, and also 3 sets of different colored lace locks. The thick rubber midsole houses a stacked double zoom air unit. They use the soft suede-like material on the toe box. It has reflective 3M along the toes. They also use the mesh suede material on the inner lining. The rest of the upper is a nylon mesh material, allowing for breathability. There's a full zip at the back heel, as well as a tongue that acts like a shoehorn. It's got a pull tab at the front, which extends down to the toe box. The sneaker has a cage-like design where the laces run through. You've got your Nike and Fear of God branding on the sides of the shoe, on the heel of the shoe, and also on the sole. There is also additional Air Fear of God branding on the inside of the rear tongue. Even the zippers have Nike Fear of God branding. The insole is a bright orange color and labeled with a set of numbers that refer to a Bible verse. The outsole is black with a portion towards the heel that is translucent. The sneakers come with standard black rope laces and an extra set of white and tan colored laces as well. Overall, the sneaker is a dope design, but it sacrificed a bit of its functionality for its aesthetics. Whereas the midsole is so thick that they couldn't extend the zipper down further to allow for a bigger opening for the foot.